squeakle, 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 squeak, 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 squeak. Ah. All great inventions start with a problem. My problem, my pants are too hot. My solution, Airpants. I broke this project down into 5 different steps, with step number 1 being the idea. What if there were pants that actually had holes near the crotch, and these holes were filled with fans? Each one of these fans would pull in air from the outside, cool your body, and would expel the hot air out of the pant legs. Well, that's exactly what we did, and the project was simple enough we jumped right into step number 2, ordering the components. We were able to find everything we needed on Amazon, 2 small fans, a rechargeable lithium battery, and then finally we went to Ross for a pair of pants. Once we had everything, we jumped to the best step, which is building everything. We took our fan and battery and measured how big the holes would have to be, grabbed a pair of pants, cut some nice holes into them. I quickly realized that I can't glue the fans directly onto the pants because then I can't wash them. My solution was to build some cases out of plastic by 3D printing them. The case design is pretty simple. Their only purpose is to hold the fans in place while you're wearing them. Once the cases were printed, I did one last check to make sure I could slide the fans in and out easily before permanently gluing them onto the pants. I then moved on to the electronics section of the project. I soon realized that the battery that I bought did not have a high enough voltage, so I ended up soldering a USB connection onto the fans. Once that was done, I assembled everything together, fans in place, and USB connection in the pocket. This brings us to the final step, testing the product. As you can see from our model, you can barely see the fans are there. And all you need is a small portable charger to run the fans. Have you ever had your computer sitting on your lap and it gets too hot that it burns your lap? Well, not with Airpants. Simply pull out the discrete USB connection and plug it in directly to your laptop. Instant satisfaction. Don't have a USB connection close by? Simply plug in any phone charger and find the closest, most convenient outlet to you. And simply find the closest outlet to you. Great! Airpants, never coming to a store near you.